Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to find the manual or setting instructions for any Casio or Casio Gshock. First we need to locate the module number on the back of the watch. So you're gonna turn the watch and find on the back a small box with 4 digits. The 4 digits for this watch is 5146 as you can see in the box. On my second Gshock, the number is 5081 as you can see in the small box. Then go on the official Casio manual website. The link is provided in the description box below. Choose timepieces, the first option, and now you can choose your language. I will choose English. Then you're gonna enter in the search box the module number. For example, I'm gonna use 5146 and click on search, and then the manual will be there. You can download the manual or consult the manual online. If you have one of those 9 module numbers, please find in my channel in the description below instruction video on how to set the date and time. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.